BinMaster SmartBob works like an automated tape measure without the bin climbing. It's also known as a plumb bob, bin bob, or weight and cable sensor. It takes measurements at programmed time intervals such as once an hour or twice a day. SmartBob drops a weighted cable to the material surface, retracts, and converts pulses to a measurement. It's used in industrial plants to measure solids, powders, or liquids in bins up to 150 feet tall with accuracy within 1/4 of 1%. SmartBob measurements can be easily accessed from the BinCloud phone app, cloud-based Agriview, BinView, CementView, FeedView, or ResinView software, Binventory software installed on a local network, a C100 display console for monitoring multiple bins, or a digital panel meter mounted at the base of the bin. SmartBob is built for long-term performance. It installs using a 3-inch NPT mounting plate. It's protected in a NEMA 4X, 5, 9, and 12 enclosure, and it's certified to Class 2, Groups E, F, and G. SmartBob has great options like measuring sediment or submerged solids in brine tanks, analog output with onboard programming, side mounting when top mounting isn't feasible, multi-bob when you need multiple measurements in a bin, or it can be used in high temperatures using a standpipe. Plus, you can customize your SmartBob installation with angled mounting plates for sloped bin roofs, wireless gateways and transceivers to reduce installation costs, cable options like stainless steel, Teflon coated or FDA approved, and a variety of bobs suited to solids, powders, or liquids. Get SmartBob and make your job easier and your workplace safer. Email info@binmaster.com or visit us at binmaster.com.